Indiana has about 4.7 million acres of forest land containing more than 85 different tree species, plus over 100 other plant species that help make up our forest ecosystems. Of all of that land, over 3.8 million acres of it is privately owned. That's about 85% of our state's forests. These landowners fuel a major part of our economy, too. Forest products manufacturing is a $3 billion a year industry in our state, and it employs more than 50,000 Hoosiers. Indiana also ranks 9th nationally in total lumber production and 3rd in hardwood lumber production. Our forests haven't always looked the way they do now, though. Indiana is estimated to have been 85% forest land before modern settlements developed. Forests were cleared to create agricultural land, roads, and towns. By the year 1900, deforestation had left only 8% of Indiana's land forested, but that percentage is climbing again. Currently, about 20% of our land is forested, and they're growing. In fact, Indiana's forests are growing more than 3 times as fast as they are being lost. But they still face many threats, such as disease, wood-boring insects, and, of course, invasive species. Of the more than 2,000 species of vascular plants in Indiana, roughly 25% of those are non-native to the state. The Department of Natural Resources also identifies around 25 of those as invasive species of concern for Indiana woodlands. Invasive species like Asian bush honeysuckle, for example, can reduce the chance of survival among tree saplings. Invasive species can even disrupt the entire forest's ecosystem. The state of Indiana's Division of Forestry and the Natural Resource Conservation Service both offer a variety of programs to promote forest conservation and forest health. To learn more about the resources available to help landowners, you can visit the Conservation District's website at monroecoswcd.org.